Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover Roblox account without email or phone number. Now the first thing I want you to do is come here to help.roblox.com. I'm on the English website, so scroll down here, click on a Roblox account. I need help with my account. Then I want you to come here to logging in, and I want you to choose this one right here. I forgot my password. And then what I need you to do is just go ahead and scroll down here. Click on this one, customer support. It'll open up a new tab and then just choose your birth date. So I'll go ahead and pick out our birth date right there, and then we'll go ahead and click on continue. Now from here, what you need to do is fill in these details. Now, if you have a username, it does help, but what I want you to do is just go ahead and fill in the email address that was associated with that Roblox account. Explain the issue that you're having, choose a device, and say that you cannot log in. Now, you just give relevant information. A lot of people got help with this, so if you do have things like billing details, that does help. Many people literally were able to go ahead and recover their account as well. So all you need to do is give your billing address. If you have billing receipts, that is much easier. And if you're able to contact them through the original email address, makes it easier, or you're able to tell them the email address that you had, that would really help you out. And Roblox support will literally check your IP address and device information to verify your identity as well. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.